Hey peeps, we're making the easiest pizza tomato sauce used in Italy's world-famous Margherita pizza. Unlike American pizzas, the sauce requires no pre-cooking. It's just a combination of raw ingredients. We'll use 1 teaspoon of salt, 500 grams of unsalted strained tomatoes, olive oil, fresh basil leaves, and a teaspoon of sugar. Pour the strained tomatoes and remember, do not use salted tomatoes. Add the salt and sugar. Break up the basil leaves and put them in the mixture. Finally, put some olive oil and mix well. Let me know what you think in the comments. And now put it on your pizza and enjoy. Check out our authentic pizza margherita video and please like and subscribe.